So this is question number 27, guys, and the question is all about count the number of word in a sentence. So I'm going to explain you all about this code in step by step. So the first step is define the input sentence. In this step we define the input sentence for which we wanted to count the number of words. Okay, and you can replace the example sentence with any other sentence if you wanted to analyze, and right. So now come to the step 2, split the sentence into words. To count the word, we first need to split the sentence into individual words, right? So we do this using the split, okay, method, which take a space character and return an array of word. The array is sorted in the words variables. Come to the step 3, count the word. In this part of the code, we simply count the number of words by getting the length of the array, length of the words array. The length property tell us how many element words are in the array, and we store this count in the word count variable. Okay, come to the step 4, what is actually happening in there, out the result part. Finally we use console.log to display the result, which include the counts of word in the sentence. And when you run this code, you will see the example sentence provided, like it will show you the output. The sentence has 7 words. This code demonstrates how to count the number of words in a sentence in JavaScript by splitting the sentence into word based on space and then counting the element in the result array. Okay guys, so let's meet in the question number 28.